Welcome to the Women's Heart Health Summit. I'm your host, Dr. Mark Menelacino, Medical Director of the Meno Clinic in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This is your chance to hear from international world experts on how to take care of your health and prevent heart disease. Let's work together to prevent the number one killer of all women. We've treated heart disease wrong. We've treated it as a man's disease. We've evaluated women, we've diagnosed women, and we're treating women as if they were men, and we're not doing it right. Heart disease is the number one killer of all women. It outpaces all cancers combined. So we really need to develop this personalized, precision, preventative technique to try to be sure that you can avoid heart disease, but at the same time enjoy optimal vitality, no more brain fog, lose that last few pesky pounds you've tried to lose, figure out your personalized nutrition code. You're going to hear from the world's experts about how to achieve all of these things for you. We're going to talk about what does thyroid issues mean? How do you personalize thyroid for you? We're going to talk about the relationship of the adrenal and how it influences your female hormones and your thyroid. We're going to talk about how the gut is influenced on all of them. You'll hear about these adverse childhood events and how what happened early affects what you do later. So we want to tie all of this together in the functional medicine model and integrate it into this personalized approach for you. With all of our speakers, you're going to hear several pearls about how to get what you need. It's almost as if you got to go to all of them as a free visit. So we put together the world's experts for you to try to help understand your personal situation, your health challenges, and give you tools to reach that optimal vitality. Thank you so much and enjoy the summit.